Haflong Government College prepares to hold final examination from tomorrow. The Haflong Government College, the premier college of the district, is going to hold its sixth semester from tomorrow, maintaining COVID protocol despite various constraints. The students were found thronging the college today to collect their respective admit cards, which reached the college yesterday only. The principal of the college, Dr. Mizanur Rahman, said as many as 300 students are expected to appear in the examination offline and about 150 students are there online. The examination would be manageable as such.
Conducting university has already decided to hold the examination from tomorrow, that is 29th of September, and it will continue up to 19 October. 19 October. No doubt this is the challenging matter, because conducting of this in this pandemic situation is a challenging matter. But for the greater interest of the students and without losing the academic year, the university have decided to hold this examination, though it is late, but to for the interest of the students, so that they do not lose their academic year. So we also welcome. One meeting was also held with the principals and all other academic council members, and in that meeting it is decided. So ultimately we have already decided in the principals meeting as well as the academic council meeting to hold the examination.
There has been specific guideline like social distance, proper sanitization, and use of face mask and 50% of the seat capacity of the rooms.
Following the strict guidelines of COVID protocols, and these guidelines are already published, and it is circulated among the teachers, then in the college notice boards, and everyone who are engaged in the examination system. तो इसके लिए जो हम लोग को फैसिलिटी होना चाहिए, जिससे हम लोग को सैनिटाइजेशन सिस्टम, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, then using mask, then using hand gloves, and other requirements, whatever necessary for COVID protocols. We are try to provide all this to conduct the examination in proper manner. तो हम लोग को room for conducting examination is not available, no doubt, but still for, as it is only 6 semester exam, only one class under CBCS, non-CBCS. That's why the number of students are very limited, and for the limited number of students we have the sufficient rooms. We have to accommodate the students 50% of the total capacity in each room, because if it is seat arrangement is made like this, it is J type, that means by that we can maintain social distancing. So there will be no problem social distancing, and for holding the examination we have the sufficient infrastructure and all facilities whatever necessary for conducting the examination.
The students were very happy to appear the offline since there was uncertainty for the examinations due to pandemic situation across the world.
इधर कल में एग्ज़ाम देके बोला हम लोग बहुत खुशी है ऑफलाइन में, और हम लोग विश्वास भी नहीं रहा एग्ज़ाम देने को कोविड-19 का वजह से। अचानक इसमें बीच में भगवान का आशीर्वाद से एग्ज़ाम ऑफलाइन देने के लिए मिला ही बोल के बहुत खुशी है।
एग्ज़ाम होने से अच्छा ही है, जो अगर प्रमोट कर देने से कोई का मार्क्स कम हो जाएगा, किसी का ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, तो इससे अच्छा है कि क्लास एग्ज़ाम हो के अच्छे से मार्क्स सबसे समझ। बहुत लॉस तो हो गया है वैसे भी हम लोग का, अब जो वो समय वापस भी नहीं आएगा, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा दुख है। बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी। मैं खुश हूँ हम लोग को बस मास्क, सैनिटाइज़र और थोड़ा डिस्टेंस, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, हाँ सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग 5 मीटर का, यही बताया गया है और हम लोग यही फॉलो करने वाले हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।